How you doing guys today? Today I'm gonna show you how I installed the DVD player, the one you sent it to me, like exactly the same YouTube, the one you sent me the other day, but still I still have a problem with the DVD player. There's no sounds. Everything's work, touch screen work perfect except no sounds at all. I'm gonna show you exactly how I installed it. To just give me your comment and tell me if you guys have any solution. Thank you. Like I says, when I open the box, there is two wires harness. This is the first one, which is didn't fit my DVD player or my radio wires, and there is another one which is fit perfect. That one, it doesn't say any names. It doesn't say anything about that one. The only thing I say is it just fit perfect to my DVD player. So what I'm gonna do is, there is a small little box. I already put it in, and there is the only one plug it fit with my wires, and that's it. Because I have the original one. The original one it has like two wires, one of them the big one, and one of them the small one. But the small one, unfortunately, you guys didn't fit your wire harness, so I'm just gonna accept that one and put it in the back. And I'm gonna take that one and put it in with your wire harness. Oh, 333, yep, should be like that. Yep. Should be nice. So what's up? Okay, this way. Oh. Oh. What's that? Yeah, you can go. Oh. Oh, okay. Should be like this one. There you go. It fit perfect. After that, we put it in the bag. This is the iPod port. I don't want to put it right now because I just want to show you guys exactly how I installed my DVD and give me your comment. This is a GPS one. I'm going to put it in. I already did. And there is another little piece of port also. I think I'm supposed to put it in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in. Try to find the radio wires. I think that one should be fit in here. There you go. And the other part is supposed to fit in the other side for the antenna. done. So the wire harness, put it in with the DVD. There you go. Basically done. Put everything's down. I'm doing everything like as fast as much, just to make it nice and short and easy for you guys. I'm not gonna put everything. There you go. Now it's done. So what I'm gonna do is take the key, turn off the vehicle. Turn on the radio. Nice sign for the BMW. The radio is on now. Like guys, you see, the radio is on. But unfortunately there is no sounds. I'm gonna use my controller, the steering, power steering. See, there is no voice. I'm gonna take one of these CDs, put it in. Oh, there is one already. So let me see, take it out. There you go. Put it in again. It's loading. There you go. Supposed to work, but I didn't hear anything. No volume at all. GPS working fine also, but there is no voice. And also I have a problem too. If I turn on the light on the dashboard, there is no light at all. No light at all. If you look at the time, it shows you 1:49, but the time here 12:49, and every time I set up the alarm at the time, when I turn on the car, turn it on again, and go back to hours after. I hope guys you understand exactly what's wrong with the DVD player. If you can, please do something for me. Thank you very much.